Good day to all learners deck viewers out there. In this series, we'll be discussing how to create your own website free of cost and within 10 minutes. So stay tuned. The website which is currently available on your screen is a website which I have created in 10 minutes. Let me scroll down and you can see different options and different graphics, GUI that I have inserted. For this, you don't need any coding knowledge. It's quite easy and you can just do it by drag and drop. So I'll let you know how you can do it. See, it's on the left, you can see the menu as well, and each section or each page has a unique interface. So this is how you can create your own website. Now, let's get back to work. For this, the only prerequisite that you need to have is a Google ID, a Gmail ID. So if you have a Gmail ID, please log in through it, and if you do not have, you can always come back and create a free Gmail ID. Once you create your Gmail ID, you can log into drive.google.com and click on this new, go to more, and select this Google Sites. Google Sites allow us to create a free of cost website, and it will be hosted by Google. So you'll have that google.com link as well, and this will be your main interface. This is the first method by which you can go to site.google.com. The other method is you can directly type sites.google.com on your browser, and this screen will appear on your screen. See, on the first pane you can see some templates and a blank presentation or blank site template as well, and you can select any of these templates. You also have the luxury to extend this template gallery, and you can install as well if you would like to have more templates. So these are some templates which are already available within Google Sites. You can select any of these if you are a beginner, or start from scratch by using this blank Google site. I'll click on this blank Google site and see what happens. A new window will pop up, and this will be your home page. This will be your working area where you will be doing all the stuff, and on the right hand side you can see all the available options within Google Sites. These are three major domains or three major sections that you will have during your Google Sites. The first one is insert, the second one is pages, and the third one is theme. On top of this page you can see some options. This is your last undo action, or you can undo your last action, you can redo your last action. This option will be used in order to see how your website will look on different devices. For example, if you're using your website on a mobile device or on a tablet device, it will show you how your website will appear on a mobile device. Similarly, it will also tell you how your website will look on a notebook. This is actually an embedded link or the copy link that you can have after you publish your website on web. In case you need to have more collaborators on your website, you can use this option, and later on in the video we'll see how we have different setting options and what are the different capacities available within Google Sites. So let's start. The very first thing that you need to do is write a title to your page. So for example, we are just testing this, so I'll write here test. So this is our title, and it works like any other application within Microsoft or Google. So I have selected this text, and this is the mini toolbar. If I'll click on this drop down, I have 5 different options. First one is the normal text. When I'll click on this normal text, see the text becomes normal. It means that the width and the font size becomes normal. Now when I'll click on title, the font will react as title. I can also select it as heading, subheading, and small. So these are the options which are available to me as we are creating the main page currently, or the home page. So I'll keep it as title. Now you can also put in some different formatting. For example, I'll just click on this bold, and it will create this as a bold text. You can use this I sign as well. In case you need to format or adjust the formatting or the placement of this particular text, you can select any of these options. Currently we would like to have it in the middle of the screen. Now, if in case you need to link any external link with this text, you can use this option, but currently we would not like to do that. And if you have mistakenly done any formatting, this T with a cross sign will clear all the formatting, and the recycle bin button will delete all the stuff that you have actually created. So we have created the first heading of our home page. Now, as I told you, these are the three main options. The very first thing that you need to do is go to this themes and select any of these available themes. So I'll show you some themes and the color pattern that is available with some font size. So this is the simple theme that we are currently using, and these are the colors available. You can always click here in case you need more colors. So for example, I need a red color, so I can select here and red color will appear. I can also write the color code here in case I have that. Once you are done with the color, you can click on this drop down menu, and these are the three different font styles that we have. So select any of these. Now these are the different themes that are available within Google Sites. Let's for example click this one. See, the appearance has totally changed. These are different color patterns. You can select the font style which is available here. Click on this vision, and this is a totally different theme. So it depends on what is your purpose of creating this website. For example, if it's a blogging website or an educational website or a website which is actually representing your business, so it depends on how you would like your website to look. So I'll currently use vision, and let's select the theme as maybe red. So this is perfect for me, and I'll take this as modern. So these are the three changes that we need to do at first when you're creating your website. You need to enter here a site name. For example, as we are creating a test site, I'll just write here site. You can also add a logo with this. For example, if you are creating this website for your business and you have a logo in place, you can always create this. Now let's come back. So this is our home page. When you click here on the pages, it will tell you that it is your home page. This is a default setting, and once you have decided how many pages and sections you want within your Google site, you can add any number of pages on this website. Click on this plus sign, and it will let you add a new page. So for example, I'll write here about us. Click on this advanced setting. If you have a custom path means if you would like to go to a custom a specific path, when somebody clicks on this about us, you can do that. But currently we would like to just create a new page, so I'll click here done, and see a page appears. Similarly, if I have a section of portfolio, and I would like to list down my services under this section, what I can do is see these three dots. I can click on these dots and I will have different options. These are the options that are available. I can either make it my home page instead of the first one. I can replica this particular page. I have different properties of the pages as well. I can add sub pages to it. This is interesting. So add sub page, and for example, if a portfolio includes digital marketing, I'll just add that, and you can see it appear as a portfolio and in a subheading. And if I would like to have another subheading, I'll just go there and add a sub page. Sub page will have SEO services. Done. So these are the two sub pages that I have entered against portfolio. See, the sub pages will appear as a drop down menu on your website, and this is how it will look like. Just mouse over on this portfolio and it will tell you how many sub pages you have under this particular header. So this is how you add different sub pages, so you can create a perfect wonderful hierarchy by using this page menu. Now there are two different styles which Google Sites actually gives us for this menu option. So this is the first one. You can use this by default, or in case you would like to change how your appearance looks like, so what you can do is you can definitely change how your menu will look. In the upcoming video I'll tell you what are the different menu styles. Now let's go back to our home page and see what are the different options available within insert page. So let's create a home page. On the very first pane you can see that these are the basic options. The first option is a text box. When I'll click here, a text box will be inserted as here with different options, but currently this is the quick access toolbar, but currently we do not want to have a text box. So what I'll do is I'll just show different options and start creating a home page. So we have text box, images. You can embed any link. For example, you need to have a counter on your page and see how many visitors are actually coming up, so you can embed a link as well. If you have a Google form or a sheet or a presentation on your Google Drive, you can definitely link it with Drive as well. Now it also provides us with different layouts. For example, these layouts are the templates that can be used on your pages. This first one, for example, I'll click here and show you. It says it will have one image, one header and some details. So when I'll click here, a image section appears, a header appears and some text appears. So when you'll click here, you'll have two options. In fact, many options, but most of these two options are used. So you can upload it from your drive, you can select an image from internet, or if you have an image on your drive, you can definitely do that. Other than this, you can actually select a map on this particular image, and if you would like an address or a location to be pointed, you can select this. Or you can also use calendar. So if you're preparing a website for your blogs maybe, so you can use this calendar and write an upcoming date for your new blog. If you have a YouTube channel, or uh, you would like your customers or the clients or the visitors to see some YouTube videos, you can click here and insert videos. So currently what we'll do is we'll just click on this upload and we'll see what we have. So I'll just upload this logo. I'll click here test, and on bottom I'll write testing. This is one way of creating this menu. This is how you can change the position of this particular menu. These are the three options that are available. The very first option says that currently this has a blank or a transparent background. If you would like to change the background, click here, and these are the four options that are available. This is a regular background. I can select this emphasis 1, a bit of grayish background, and if you would like to have a dark theme, select this one, emphasis 2, and a dark background will be selected. But if you have an image already available on your system, or you would like to place an image as a background, click here on upload and some images will definitely appear. So I'll select this one. So see, any image can appear. Once you select this image, see what is going on Google Sites. Google adjusts the readability of your text based on the colors of your images. So that's a perfect option. In case you think that you do not want to adjust the readability, just go here and click or remove the readability option. So how your image was actually uploaded will appear on your screen. I'll just use the readability mode. So these are the other options that are available on your website or on your Google site. Now what I would like to do is, in between this header and this section, I would like to add a separator or a line, because I think that it is actually collapsing. So what I'll do is, I'll just scroll down. There's an option which is called divider. So I'll click here and I'll insert a divider. You can always change the position of this divider. See, now the divider is between this menu and your header. Let's work on the header first. So this is your header. The background image is set by default, but if you would like to change the background image, what you can do is click on this change image and either upload or select image. So I'll just go to select image. So these are the different options that you have. You can select an image from the gallery if you have a URL, or you can search directly on the internet if you have images available on your album. So you can fetch images from there, or Google Drive images are always available. So I would like to select some image from the gallery, and let's say that I would like to use this particular image. See, the readability mode is active and it will adjust according to the readability of the text. The image that we have selected is in white color, so the text color has automatically changed. If you would like to regain the original image, just click here and it will appear. I'll just change it back to the readability mode. Now the header type. So if you would like to change your header type, like the appearance of this particular section, so these are the 4 different options. Let's start with the first one. Currently we are using the banner type. You can use a cover image like we have on different social media platforms. You can use a large banner. It is larger than the regular banner size, or you can use it as title only. The background image will disappear, but we'll use it as a banner uh, because this looks more feasible to me. Now I'll change the image again. I'll select image from the gallery and I'll select a different image now, so that you have the flavor of all these changes. The readability mode is active and it's working right on the way. So this is the header. Then I have added a divider, then a section. You can always have different layouts. Like this layout says that it will have 4 different images. So if you are creating your portfolio page and you have 4 different portfolios, so you can definitely use this particular option. Let us change the background of this image. I'll go here, I'll go to select image, and let's select an image which is this. So see, the image has changed and the readability has adjusted automatically. So I can also delete or add different sections within this menu. For example, if I do not want any image on the section, just click here, click on this recycle button or the delete button. This image will be deleted. Or for example, if you would like to crop your image, you can select this option, and the other options are you can replace this image by using these 2 options, either upload it or select an image from the 5 available options that we have. You can use a text with this image. For example, you need to add text to image. We'll click here and see it's an alternative text. For example, somebody is visiting it, so it will appear as a hint on the screen. I'll write here as hint. Or you can select this checkbox which say that this is a decorative image. We'll use alternative image. Now the other option is you can also give a caption to your image. When you'll click here, it will say logo, for example. So I'll just write here logo, select it as bold. I'll keep it as heading. I'll change the position to middle, and here it goes. See how simple it is. So you are actually creating a website. You do not have any technical knowledge. You do not know how to code different websites or different languages. But see, Google site has made it pretty easy for us. Now, what I would like to do is I would like to add a text box here. So I'll go here, select this option. This is a sample page. You can select this. The other beautiful part that Google Sites has is that all shortcuts which we are aware of regularly, like for example Control C, Control V, Control Z, all these works perfectly on Google Sites. So you can use these uh, with your benefit. Now let's change the background of this as well. I'll just make it emphasis 2. So see, although the color of this scheme or this theme is red, but as I have changed the background, so the readability of the text has appeared automatically. You can always copy different sections if you have the requirement. If I'll click here, see a duplicate section will appear, and if you would like to delete it, just click here on this option, it will be deleted. Now let's go and see another option. Now, if this is your home page and if you would like to insert a map, you can click here, and maybe you can use Google. So I have inserted Google, and here it is pinned. Select this and it will appear on your screen. It's easy to move, easy to resize, and you can select any of the options that is available. You can also put a background to your Google map if you want. So I'll just select an image and see what happens. See, now on the home page, the very important part that you need to do is add a footer. A footer can be your address or contact number. This contact number will appear as a footer on your screen, and make sure that you are writing the perfect address and the perfect location or the contact number, because this header or this footer will actually appear on every page of your website. So no matter how many pages you are creating, this footer will be used as a default footer for all the pages. You can definitely delete it and customize pages, and we'll show you in upcoming videos, but mostly it should remain on every page because it is your basic contact info. So we'll do it. And if you would like to write some points on your footer, for example your capabilities and what competencies or skills you are providing or what facilities you are providing, you can definitely create a number list. So see, I have created a number list, and the first one is efficient, the second one is cost friendly, third one is reliable, and so on. So you can also select a number list, or you can add some bullets to it. If you would like to change the background, use the same method. Go here and either upload an image if you have any, or select from the images available. We'll select from the images available, and we let Google site change the readability according to the requirement. So this is how you can create your home page. We'll keep it till the home page right now, and we'll move to different options, and we'll further elaborate what magic can you do with Google sites without coding knowledge. So thanks for watching this video, and make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel, which is Learner Deck. Stay tuned because you'll be creating a wonderful website for your business which will make it to higher standards. Thanks for watching this one.